Hello everyone, welcome to Design Minds channel. In this tutorial, I am going to explain how to create a portrait and landscape pages in the same document. Okay, so let me show you how to create. This is the sample document that I am going to use, and I'll show you all the pages is currently a portrait. I just leave the title for landscape just to understand easily. All these pages is portrait pages. Okay, so let me show you the preview also. As you can see, everything is a portrait pages. Okay, to add a landscape pages next to the portrait page. Okay, first two pages portrait page, here it's a landscape page. Okay, now to change this as a landscape page orientation, all you have to do is introduce a section break before the page of the page you wanted to change the orientation. For example, this page I wanted to rotate as a landscape page. Okay, so I'm going into the previous page and showing the paragraph mark. You see the section break for the previous page. All you have to do is place the cursor and go to the page layout, click on the break and insert the section break by clicking on the next page. Okay, you see the section break has been introduced in the portrait page. Okay, now scroll down and remove this page break. Okay, so now you see the section break has been introduced in the portrait page. Now go to the landscape page, place the cursor here and go to the page layout, orientation and change it to landscape, or you can go to the margin, custom margin, you can change it to landscape. Whichever option you want to do it, you can change the orientation in both the way. Okay, I'm going to use the orientation landscape. Okay, as you can see, the first two pages is the portrait page and the next one is the landscape page. It's continuing, and next one is the also a landscape page, but I wanted this to be a portrait page. Okay, let me show you how to replace it. Now once again, this is portrait page, this one is the landscape page, and this one I wanted to be a portrait page. Okay, so again go to the previous page of the landscape, place the cursor and introduce a break under the page layout, break, section break. Okay, you have introduced the section break here. Okay, scroll down, delete the paragraph, page break. Okay, here place the cursor and change it to portrait. Okay, now you can see portrait page, landscape page continuing, and then portrait page. Okay, then the landscape page. So if I wanted to change one more landscape page next to the portrait page, again the same procedure, just place the cursor, the portrait page, go to the page layout, introduce a break, section break. Okay, as you can see, the section break inserted, delete the page break, the old page break. Now this is portrait. Now this one I wanted to be a landscape page, so place the cursor here, go to the orientation, change it to landscape. Now it has been changed as a landscape, and this one is a portrait, and next one is a landscape page. Since it's a thank you page, I want it to be in a landscape which looks nice. Okay, but I can hide this paragraph symbol that I have used by going into the home page tab. Just hide this, click on this button, it will show and hide, or you can press the shortcut key, always Ctrl+Shift+8, like I explained in the previous video. Okay, so let me show you from the top. Portrait page, landscape page, portrait page, landscape page, then landscape page. Remember, you need to add the section break before the page you want to change the orientation. Okay, to view the section break and page break, you can always go to the home tab and click on the paragraph symbol, which will show you the section break and the symbols that has been used. I mean the page break or the space or tab, whatever has been used in the Word document, it will show you when we click on this icon. Okay, or you can press the Ctrl+Shift+8 shortcut key. Okay, so that's it guys. Thank you so much for watching the video. If you like the video, please subscribe to my channel for more videos. Thank you.